Hello and welcome to Spotlight here at the MEBAA show in Dubai. Now, something quite interesting. I've seen SAEI around and we've seen them doing work with Saudia, the national airline in Saudi Arabia. And I spoke to Fahd Cynndy, the CEO, a year ago when I heard about the plans and ambitions. But Fahd, that's coming true. But business aviation as well. What's happening?
Well, thank you, Alan. It's just a continuity of a great story that started about a year and a half ago. Putting the fundamentals, working on the underpinnings of the industry to cater to the kingdom's ambitions across the sector and all aviation. Business aviation was just naturally the next step. And we're here to finally say we worked on all the actual fundamentals to offer MRO services to the likes of THC, who we have with us today, but also across the broader business aviation sector. And we're so happy to be here and ready to roll.
Arnaud Martinez, the helicopter company of Saudi Arabia. Just tell us very quickly about that business, how it's growing and what you're expecting to do within Saudi.
Quickly is the right word. 2 years back, just to give you the context, 2 years back where we started, we were at 2 aircraft. We have 35 this year, 48 next year, 60 within the 2 years coming at the ratio of 2 aircraft per month delivery. So if you want to focus on that, and we have to focus on that and keep our operation growing, we need the right partnership locally. And that's the main objective with SAEI.
Now, getting that number of aircraft and 2 coming a month, then obviously maintenance, the whole MRO business, is incredibly important at the core of what you're doing. So rather than invest yourself in developing your own maintenance business to go with it, you're coming into the largest business in Saudi as far as MRO goes.
I think it's more important to know what we know and what we don't know, right? We have a partnership locally who's got decades of experience on the MRO industry. Our core business is to fly safely. Our core business is to deliver services to our main clients. The objective to do so is to have the right partnership in training, in MRO, in all kind of ecosystem around that. We did the study. There is no point to invest on the MRO capability when you have locally someone who do it better, quicker, since decades. So we took that decision at the early stage to outsource the services on the heavy services, all the repair, the components, and all these kind of services that SAEI can provide to THA.
Now, Fahd, when we come to that, you've got that wonderful, massive MRO village. And we're going to see helicopters coming in as well as business aircraft that you're now talking about here. How on earth are you going to find the people to do it to match the growth that's coming here?
So the key word is being specialization, right? And back to the message by the CEO of THC, Arnaud Martinez, specializing in MRO, specializing in heavy maintenance on behalf of clients is our way to enable the sector to grow and to help them grow, but also specialization when it comes to the manpower and the technical skills. And for that, with the support of the ecosystem with the Saudia group, it has just been a wonderful story. We started with 35 mechanics a year from our academy. That academy now is merged with Prince Sultan Aviation Academy, the massive hub for training. We're now, instead of 35, it's up to 200 mechanics a year and 200 from the scholarship program. So we grow from 35 mechanics a year to 400 because the growth is massive. The MRO village has been awarded, the construction is underway, we're moving in next year, and with the likes of THC and their ambitions to grow, our people are going to be ready, the skill set is going to be ready, and the kingdom will be priding itself that is a fundamental part of the aviation ecosystem globally.
Captain Fahd, Arnaud, thank you very much for joining us, and it really is an incredibly positive story coming out of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for this industry right the way across.